So in this series of turning leak detections into repairs, we had another bond beam. We did one not that long ago, but we're doing another one. And the point is, I wanted to show you how root damage actually caused this problem, but how we were able to salvage the coping. We had the tile to replace. We were real easy cutting it and chipping it away. Take a look and see how we did it. So this is the leak detection portion of the job. We heard that leak with our pull scope. We were actually able to point it out, and now we're going to pinpoint it with dye. We always like to back ourselves up. You can see how we're pulling in that one area, but we're pulling in a couple of areas on that bond beam. So now this whole video is about trying to keep it careful, trying to get these brick up in one shot. That's why we cut them all separately, and we're able to loosen them up, and then we're able to actually just pop them out. Again, this doesn't always work out as well as it is right now on this pool, but we're able to get them up in one piece. The tile, we have tile to replace, so we're gonna pop that off. The meat and potatoes of this job is gonna be actually getting down to the beam break. So we keep chipping it out, and you'll start to see some of the roots that grew under there. Watch when we lift up this large piece. You can see all the roots that actually grew in there. Look at how bunched up they were. Roots do damage. This does damage right here. So this is what caused the issue. Now we're going to actually show you how we build up a strong beam again. We steel dowel rods, and we use epoxy, and we drill them down into the bond beam. Then we tie a tie beam onto them. Next we're going to board form, and we're going to re-pour this whole thing. And we're going to pour it nice and straight. So the next thing we could do is set our tile and set our coping nice and straight so that it comes out real nice and looks almost perfect. We're able to come right up to that line again that we cut out, because again, we took precaution. We took extra cuts on this. This is what it looks like when we finished it up. We used just spec mix on the grout joints, and here it is. Show you as we were filling it a little bit. It's not yet to the spillway, but it's nice and straight, and this is how we got it done. So that's how we fixed this coping. We did a coping tile repair. We were able to turn that into, I think it was a $6,500 job. Again, that did not include the leak detection. Remember, do good leak detection, charge good money, and do really good repair work. Something that's going to hold up like this. This thing's rock solid. For more information, visit our YouTube channel or check out Leaktronics.com.